How's it going, guys? I've been having a few issues with this printer today, my longer LK4, and I was near it when I heard my print unstick. And it didn't quite start moving around yet, but it did this a little bit earlier, and this is what resulted. So in order to prevent that and to save this print, in case you guys ever have a similar experience, you could just take it off and start over, but I wanted to save it, and I'm kind of behind on some stuff. And so this is just an idea. It's a little bit dumb, but it works. I just took a hot glue gun and literally glued it down to the bed. Just put a few beads around it. Of course, that's going to ruin the tape, so I have to replace it after this, but it'll save my print. And I just lowered the printing temperature down to 50 degrees Celsius instead of 70, and it's still dropping. And I'm going to wait till it finishes dropping so that I can resume printing without the print head, the extruder actually bumping it off the bed completely. So just wanted to put that idea out there in case any of you guys ever have a similar experience. Yeah, so leave a thumbs up if this helped you out, or if you think it's a good idea, or let me know if you think it's stupid, but it works. So just saying. Thanks you guys so much for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.